Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, right now in front of you Epson EcoTank printer and the model number is L4160, and this printer came with the display and some settings over here. And what is the issue today? I'm going to teach you. If you will right click on printer properties and print test page, okay, and you'll see it's printing the paper, but there is no text on the paper, totally blank page, totally printing white page. How to fix this problem? And there is ink also in the tank, but it's not printing. So what is the first step to do? We have to make right click on the printer icon, go to printer preferences and go to maintenance, and you have to make power cleaning. Okay, you have to make power cleaning. This will consume a bit of amount of ink and it will take around 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, from the beginning you have to open first of all this control panel. How to get this control panel? Just plus in your keyboard Windows R and type here control space printers. Okay, control space printers, and press enter, and you will get the all printing printers in your computer. You will find this box over here. Just right click on your printer icon and go to printing preferences, and the third option from the upside, maintenance, and then just click on power cleaning, and it is going to teach you. This will take consume the ink and it will take time. Just press next, click check both buttons. There is enough ink in the ink states, and an interval of 12 hours is required between each power cleaning snap. Okay, so just check on both and press next, and then press start. Okay, the process has been started. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes or 7 to 10 minutes. And the screen you will see over here, in English you will find printer is cleaning, and in Arabic now this display is written over here, please wait, printer is cleaning. So we have to wait until finish this process, then we will check the print quality. Stay with me. Okay viewers, the process is near to finish, and you can see it's almost done, and we have to wait until it will finish completely. Then we will give another command for print. Okay, here we have finished the process, and also on this screen it's asking to finish, and we will press finish and OK. Right click on the printer icon, we'll go to printer properties and we'll print a test page, and we'll see now. Before it was printing totally blank white page, now color is fine and black is also fine. Okay viewers, as you can see, this was the method, and printer is printing very fine now. There is a message over here, check your ink levels regularly, and just ignore this message, press close. Our printer is ready now. This was the one method through your computer, and second method from here I will explain in another video how to clean the print head, power cleaning process through printer dashboard. Thank you for watching guys, take care, bye.